So there's a problem from the book, example 5 on page 336. Now I'm going to do a similar problem. This is one of my favorite kind of problems because it's a little twist on integration. So one thing to notice is that we have whatever is in the radical, the power of x is the same as the power of x outside the radical. Now that's going to present a problem, but we're also going to find a way out of it. So again, I'm going to use my rule that u is what's inside the radical, since there's a radical in the problem. And then du is going to be 5 dx. And I'm getting used to the fact that I'm going to have to solve for dx, so I'm going to do that now. Even if I don't need to use it, it's done. Okay, so now I look at this problem. There's my u. And my dx is going to be 1/5 du. Okay, so I'm going to take out the 4. I'm going to write the radical as an exponent because calculus likes exponents. I'm going to take out that 5. Okay, well, I have a problem. I need to get rid of x. Okay, well, how do I do that? Well, I look back to here. That's my key. I see that u is equal to 2 plus 5x. I can solve for x. That's perfectly okay. You're allowed to do this. So I do that, subtract 2 from each side, divide by 5, and I'm ready to go. So this is also going to be an important part of the problem. So again, I'm just going to recopy 4/5. I get u minus 2 over 5, u to the 1/2 du. Okay, let's work with that. I'm going to take that 5 outside, and I get u minus 2, u to the 1/2. So I find constants inside the integral distraction, so it's good to get rid of them. Here, let's do this. So we've got all the substitutions together. Sorry. So we got 4 over 25. And I'm going to distribute this u to the 1/2. I can do any computations I want inside the integral. That's perfectly okay. So I get u to the 3/2 minus 2 u to the 1/2 du. Again, how do I get that? Well, exponent of 1, u to the 3/2, right? You got that. Okay, so now I can just integrate. My rule for integration, add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent, add 1 again to this u to the 1/2, I get 3/2, divide by the new exponent, and I have my constant of integration so I don't forget it. Now, there's a lot of algebra involved here, but it's not so bad. Just kind of be patient. So I'll go slowly. So remember, when you're dividing by a fraction, you invert and multiply. There's my constant of integration. I'm just going to do that to differentiate. So I can do a couple of things here. I can keep the common factor outside the parentheses, and I'm going to do that. So I don't really need to do much with this. I'm almost done here. 2 times 2/3 is 4/3. And now I just substitute back. Realize up here that u is equal to 2 plus 5x. So here's my answer. Four over 25 times 2/5, 2 plus 5x to the 5/2 minus 4/3, 2 plus 5x to the 3/2 plus c. And that's it. I'm done. Now, I can simplify this further, but that's for a different video.